need extra cash, no experience needed. Did you know that over 57 million Americans are part of the gig economy, many of whom are making extra cash with little to no experience? It's true. In today's digital age, earning extra income has never been more accessible. Whether you're a student looking for beer money, a stay-at-home parent needing to supplement the household income, or just someone wanting a little extra padding in their savings account, there are tons of opportunities out there. A lot of people think they need specialized skills or a ton of free time to make extra money, but that's simply not the case anymore. We're going to break down some incredibly easy side hustles you can start today, even if you have zero experience. One of the easiest ways to dip your toes into the world of online earning is through paid surveys. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay you for your opinions. Sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer a variety of surveys, and you can cash out your earnings through PayPal, gift cards, or even direct deposit. Now, I'm not saying you'll get rich taking surveys, but it's a simple way to earn a few extra bucks while you're watching TV or waiting in line. Think of it as getting paid for your downtime. Plus, there's no experience required, just your honest opinions. Start small, find the platforms you enjoy, and watch your earnings slowly add up. Every little bit helps, right? Imagine turning your Netflix binge-watching sessions into a little extra cash flow. It's not a bad deal, and it's certainly easier than flipping burgers or delivering pizzas. Even if you think you don't have any marketable skills, think again. Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with opportunities for beginners. From data entry and virtual assistant tasks to simple graphic design and writing gigs, there's something for everyone. I remember hearing about a stay-at-home mom who started offering proofreading services on Fiverr. She had no professional experience, just a keen eye for detail. She started small, charging just a few dollars per gig. But as she built up her reputation and client base, she was able to increase her rates. Now she's making a full-time income from home, all thanks to a simple skill she already possessed. You might be surprised at what skills you can monetize. Don't underestimate the power of a simple skill. Selling products online. Turn clutter into cash. Got a closet full of clothes you never wear, or maybe a garage overflowing with forgotten treasures. Selling your unwanted items online is a fantastic way to declutter and make some extra cash. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace make it incredibly easy to list your items and reach a wide audience. You can even sell handmade crafts or digital products like printables or online courses. The possibilities are endless. One of my viewers started selling vintage clothing on Poshmark. She had a knack for finding unique pieces at thrift stores and flipping them for a profit. She started small, but she quickly grew her following and now makes a comfortable living selling clothes online. Special announcement. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. This course is designed to teach you everything you need to know about building a successful YouTube channel and generating income from your videos. Whether you're interested in creating content, learning about video editing, or mastering the art of monetization, this course has you covered. It even covers how to operate a faceless channel, just like I'm doing right now. There's a free webinar that goes into greater detail about the course, and I've included more information in the description below this video. Subscribe and keep learning. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. We've got over 145 videos covering various side hustles, personal finance tips, and more, so you can stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you.